Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you a very easy recipe that you can use to prepare fluffy pancakes. You can use this recipe to prepare very tasty pancakes for your loved ones and enjoy breakfast. So if you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I would love you to subscribe and stick around. And let's do some cooking. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my pancakes. We have baking powder right here, some sugar, salt, we have some eggs, right here we have some milk, we have baking flour. I'm going to use this ajab. We have some water right here and blue band. So for the blue band, I will have to melt it, and I have the container where I'm going to have all the mixture done. Yeah, so let's get started. Right here I have my melted blue band. I've already melted it. Yeah, so for the pancakes, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients separate and the wet ingredients. So first I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. So I'm going to start with the dry ingredients, and for the dry ingredients I'm going to add the flour in my mixing container. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not making so many pancakes since we are just two, me and my husband. So they just be for two people. Yeah. I will add some sugar. The quantity of the sugar depends on how much you like the sugar. And add a teaspoon or a pinch of salt. Yeah, just a pinch of salt. And also you add the baking powder. Yeah. And mix the dry ingredients, mix thoroughly. Make sure to stir and mix thoroughly. Yeah. So for the dry ingredients, we are good to go. Now I'm going to do the wet ingredients, and here is my melted blue band. So I'm just going to add my egg. I will also add some milk. and also some water. So if you don't have milk, you can use water, or you can use both milk and water, or you can use milk alone. Yeah, so stir your mixture. These are the wet ingredients. So as you can see, for me 1 egg is enough. For now, 1 egg is enough. Wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and stir. To stir your mixture, we are almost there. Let's add some milk. We don't need that it's very thick and not very thin. Now let's continue stirring. See, we are almost getting to the consistency that we need. We are almost getting there. Our consistency is good. There are no lumps. We have cleared all the lumps. And we are almost there, guys. I'll need my pancakes fluffy. That's why I'm adding some baking powder.
All I
So guys, I'm done cooking the pancakes, and that's how they turned to be. As you can see, they are fluffy. Yeah, they are not that oily. Yeah guys, and that's how you prepare fluffy pancakes, which are very, very, very tasty. Yeah, and I forgot to mention that you can add vanilla essence to your paste if you have it. I didn't have it at the moment, and that's why I did not use it. So for vanilla essence, it's going to make sure that the pancakes don't have that egg smell. Yeah, so that's how I prepare my pancake, guys. Hope this will give you an idea on how you can prepare pancakes for your loved ones during these Valentine seasons, and you can enjoy with your family. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you are new, please subscribe, like, comment, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.